Welcome to the Marty YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the platform to build a website for your sunglasses store. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video and you aren't quite familiar with the Marty service yet, Marty is the easiest way to build a simple website for your small business. You can literally have something ready in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. Once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, sunglasses store, and there it is. I'm now going to select that template. Let's tell Marty a few basic details about our sunglasses store so it can generate a simple website for us. Awesome. Let's go ahead and put in our city and our state or region. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to retail and click on continue. Great. How can our customers get in touch with us? Let's go ahead and put in our phone number as well as our email address. Where is our sunglasses store located? I'm going to go ahead and put in my street address as well as my postal code and move along. Great. What time do we open on a Monday? Let's get our hours set up. I'm going to say we open from 9 a.m. on a Monday to 5 p.m. We also open a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and a Sunday. We open 7 days a week. Let's click continue. Awesome. Let's do a quick review and make sure everything's in order. Everything looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to go ahead and click on next. If you need to make amendments, click on update location or update hours and make the changes. So look at that. Marty has literally generated a one-page website for my sunglasses store in literally less than a minute. Let's take a closer look. Now, the beauty of Marty is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we've pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality, very stunning images, as you can see. However, if you've got your own images of your products that you stock, the different sunglass options, and you want to make one or two amendments to the content that was pre-written for you, you can absolutely do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding. You don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web developer to help you out with this. So I'm going to walk you through each section today so you can have a look and feel of how easy it is to use the Marty service and just how simple it is to make those changes. So I'm going to head to the top and start my way from there and make my way to the bottom. Whoops. And let's get cracking. Awesome. So I'm now going to hit the update section at the top. And the first thing I want to do is click on show email on site. So my email address is displayed in the top right hand corner on my website next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way. Let's make sure that's saved. Our address, our physical location, we've already put the details in and it will be displayed in the top left, as you can see. Now, the great thing about that is when your customers click on that address, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your sunglasses store. Let's go ahead and click on update social links and pop in our various social media platforms that we are active on. Icons will be displayed next to that email address. Let's move along. We're now going to go ahead and upload our logo. If you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. Marty will literally just display your name here. But I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and browse from my device and upload it. If you don't have a logo yet and you don't have a huge budget to hire a graphic designer, I do recommend that you check out canva.com. There are some great options on there that are completely free to use. Logo can be customized, but I think that sizing is absolutely perfect, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it. Now with Marty we've also pre-selected the color palette used throughout the website for you. This color that has been selected for the sunglasses store, this purple, is actually really vibrant and funky, just like my glasses store. But I'm going to go ahead and change it just so you can see you don't need to know color coding whatsoever. All you need to do is click on this handy little paint bucket on the bottom right-hand corner and go through the various different options available. So I'm going to go ahead and see which other options I like. I'm going to go ahead and select this one. And as you can see, it's now used throughout my Marty Sites websites and it looks really stunning. I'm now going to hit to update section over here. Title, subtitle, which is the section over here, can be amended to suit your needs. Button, perhaps you don't want it to say get in touch. Maybe you want it to say view our offers. Let's go ahead and click on choose link. Now we can link to another website if need be. We can link to an action like click to call, directions, or click to email. Or we can upload a PDF file. So over here, that's what I suggest you should do. You could always put a catalog together with all the different brands that you offer, some of the products you have in stock, and go ahead and upload it here. So for this one, I'm just going to go ahead and upload my Marty menu, which has actually got all my sunglass options on there. Now when my customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to that PDF file I've just uploaded. I'm going to hit to update image. If you've got your own images, go ahead and browse from your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds of images to choose from and they are all completely free to use. I've already spotted one that's absolutely amazing and very suitable for my sunglasses store. So I'm going to go ahead and select that one. Save my image selection and look at that. That looks absolutely amazing. I love that image. Let's move along. Great. Over here again, pre-written content button can link to various places, but I'm going to leave it exactly the way it is because I think that sums up my sunglasses store perfectly. We've now made our way into the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your sunglasses store came to be, how you got into the industry, how long you've been in the industry, maybe the different sunglasses options you offer. Do you offer classic and timeless designs, but also trendy new ones? Go ahead and put all the details over here. Your customers would love to hear your story. Another great spot for a high quality image. This image is absolutely perfect. Love her sunglasses. So I'm leaving it just the way it is. If you want to change it, head to update section over here. Over here, we have another great spot for a high quality image. This image, again, it's staying. I really don't want to make changes to these images today because they sum up my sunglasses store perfectly. So I'm leaving it. But if you have your own, go ahead and click on update section. Otherwise, choose from their photo library. Remember, hundreds of images to choose from and they're all completely royalty free. We've now made our way onto the services section. Over here, you can put a little more details of the different services your store offers or the different brands. That's also a great option. So do you offer Ray-Bans, Gucci, Oakley? Go ahead and put all of the details over here so your customers know which brands they can come to you for. Over here, if you need to make any last changes to those trading hours or the physical location that we've previously put in, you can absolutely do so by clicking on update section. So look at that. We've literally generated a website for our sunglasses store, gone through it, made some changes, not many because I was already so happy with it. In literally less than 10 minutes, it was such a breeze. I didn't need to know any coding. It was super simple. It's only going to cost me $9 a month, and there is that free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So go ahead and click on that link below this video and give it a go. If you have a custom domain, you can link it. All you need to do is click on this yellow connect your domain button over there. Otherwise, you will find an option in the site dashboard if you exit by stop editing. I'm also really excited to let you know that you can now purchase your custom domain through the Marty Sites platform. We wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a website for your sunglasses store. If you are struggling, there is a step-by-step guide over on our YouTube channel as well as our blog post. Let's take a quick squiz at that. There's also some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. Lots of helpful articles, so go ahead and check it out. I really hope this tutorial was helpful when it came to launching your website for your sunglasses store. If you have any suggestions or any features you wish to see in future on the Marty Sites platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback. I'm really wishing you and your business Marty success, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so more people can hear about the Marty Sites service.